So today I would like to show you a little thing called khanacademy.org. It's a site where you can test your skills, either being on your own as a student, in class as a student, or teachers can use it for things like review, in class journals, like when you have teachers that do the 10-minute writing or 10-minute practice problem before class. It would be perfect for that. They have, in math specifically, they have it by grade, by content area. Just for an example, let's just put early math, and let's do counting. And on this, as you collect points, kids can make their own account. It's free, right here. See, learner, teacher, parent. And as it goes on, they can make their own characters with how many points they have, and it unlocks certain things, and kids really seem to like that. But let's just, for practice, let's see what it looks like. Get any 7 correct. Let's identify your areas for growth in these 3 lessons. How many pigs do you see? 1, 2, 3. Yay! And we keep going. Next question. Type the missing number in the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next question. Put 3 wells in the box. So you just drag and click. Some younger kids might have some problems with this, so it's kind of good to have a teacher and adult around. But middle school kids usually don't have that problem. Which box has 2 acorns? This one. Yay! Mia had 4 horses. She got 1 more horse. Now she has 5 horses. What number is missing? What number is next? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many puppies are there? 1, 2, 3. What number is missing? 99. See the box? And the last question in this set is, let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Show summary. Yay! See, I have 1,000 energy points. Points for questions and points for completion. And then, as you keep going, they can get trophies and all kinds of cool things, which you see as you continue throughout the course of practicing. It's good for, any subject that's taught through K through 9. And there's some stuff for older kids that they could use for reviewing. It's a nice tool, and it's free to teachers, parents, and students. It's definitely something you should check into, and I hope you all look at it and learn all the ins and outs, and it helps you in some way, shape, or form. Thank you for listening.